Dear students, welcome to the mathematics session. Today we will do the miscellaneous exercise of chapter linear inequality. As you know, the chapter is quite simple, so let we have start some questions. First is solve the inequality. In this inequality, you are given two inequalities in one relation: 2 less than equal to 3x minus 4 less than equal to 5. Now 2 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 5 plus 4 means basically what we did here adding 4 on both sides, also here. So ये plus 4 और minus 4 cancel होगा. This will be 6, this will be 9. 3x lies between 6 and 9. Take 3 common, 2 रह गया यहाँ पे, यहाँ x, यहाँ 3. So x is between 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 included also. So therefore answer is x belongs to 2, 3 close interval. Equal to आ गया तो close interval. Now question number second question number third. Question number third is inequality same you are given. Just simplify. First step is subtracting 4. 4 यहाँ से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो ये कैंसिल हो गया. 4 यहाँ किया, 4 यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट किया. You will have minus 7 less than equal to minus 7x by 2 less than equal to 18 minus 4, 14. So on calculation, this is quite simple calculation. On this calculation, x lies between 2 and minus 4. 2 और 4 minus 4 भी included है. So if you change this minus 4 sign, it will be x is greater than minus 4 but less than minus 2. So minus 4 and 2 with close interval, क्योंकि साइन जो है वो साथ में इक्वल टू का भी है. With close interval minus 4 and 2 will be the solution. Second is question number 8. You have to represent this on number line. 2x minus 1 less than x plus 5. We have to solve and represent the solution on number line. Again 2x minus 2 less than x plus 5. 2x minus x 5 plus 2 x less than 7. 3 दूसरी है आइडेंटिटी. 3x प्लस दूसरी इनइक्वालिटी है 3x plus 2 is greater than 2 minus x. On simplification it is x greater than 1. So साइन जो है वो इक्वल टू का नहीं है. Interval will be open. So x belongs to minus 1 and 7 will be the solution of this inequality. Therefore x belongs to minus 1 and 7. We have to represent on number line. Draw a number line minus infinity to plus infinity and take the number. So x belongs to minus 1 and 7. minus 1 और 7 के बीच में जो लाइन है उसको डार्क कर देना है. यहाँ पे ओपन इंटरवल भी दिखा सकते हो या ओपन के लिए सिर्फ आप ऐसे सर्कल्स दिखा सकते हो. क्लोज के लिए ये सर्कल्स जो है ये डार्क हो जाते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 is now the question number 11 statement is a solution is kept between 68 degree Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degrees Celsius if the Celsius and Fahrenheit formula are related by relation this? Now the Fahrenheit is 68 to 77 lies. So Fahrenheit and degree Celsius are related by 9 by 5 C plus 32. The sign is in strictly less than or greater than. So calculate this. 68 minus 32, 77 minus 32. On calculation, the C lies between 20 to 25 degree. So solution must be kept between the temperature of 20 degree Celsius and 25 degree Celsius. Now the question number 12 is a solution of 8% of boric acid is diluted with 2% of boric acid solution, 8% boric acid and adding 2% of acid solution, boric acid solution in it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% of boric acid. If we have 640 liter of 8% of solution, how many liter of 2% of solution will be added? Now we have a solution of 8% of boric acid. Now see the solution. Let X liter of 2% of boric acid solution be added so that the resulting mixture lies between 4 to 6% of boric acid. Now 4% of 640 plus X and 8% of 640 plus 2% of X is less than 6% of 640 plus X. Now calculate this. 4 by 100, 4% is 4 by 100 of 640 plus X, 8 by 100 of 640, 2 by 100 of X, less than 6 by 100 into 640 plus X. Now on this calculation, we have now one expression is this. First we will take this and calculate X. X is less than 1280. And second we will take this and this inequalities. So we have X is greater than 320. So solution of so the volume of 2% of solution will be added between 320 liters or 1280 liters of the solution. Then question number 14 is, if IQ of a person is given by formula IQ is equal to MA, mental age over chronological age into 100, कहता है if 80 less than equal to IQ, if IQ lies between 80 and 140 for a group of 12-year-old children, find the range of their mental age. Let we see the solution. Intelligent quotient is given 80 to 140 range. Formula of IQ is mental age over chronological age into 100. Substitute this 80. Now chronological age is given 12 year. By 12 into 100 is less than equal to 140. So on calculation this, the mental age on calculation of this, it is 9.6 less than equal to mental age less than equal to 16.8. So range of mental age is at least 9.6 years but not more than 16.8 years.